Hello there, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to play with my Sizzix Big Shot. It's a die cutter and basically I know it is a tool that is been around for a long time, but they still sell it in the stores. I actually got mine at Tuesday morning. I'm showing the little bird die right now, and that is from Hobby Lobby, and then the one I'm showing now is also from Hobby Lobby, but it's a Tim Holtz, and I actually have not used that one yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I did. This is the finished product, and then also I'm showing you some other kind of projects that I've made with either the negatives of the die cut or the actual, because I cut that little bird several times to do some layering, and so that's what I'm gonna play with and show you. And so basically this one came with a standard platform, which is this deal I'm showing you right now with this kind of white gray-ish look, and then that little kind of a teal looking little thin bit there is the adapter. Is basically what you use if you're going to use the thinlits, which is the type of dies that I have. So I went ahead and put that over that. It's a cutting board, I guess. Not a cutting board, but just like to make it, like I said, to be able to use with the thinlit. I think if I was using a different one that's not a thinlit, then I wouldn't need to use that teal bordered deal. So anyway, yep, just wanted to show you the packaging and the one that I made. And so I try to really copy the colors as much as I could, because that's always a good way to learn something. You can vary later sometimes, but if you want to kind of start with what's already there, that's kind of what I'm doing. So then I'm putting this clear little thing, and then now I noticed that on some of the videos it was saying to put it face down on the, put paper and then put it face down, but I don't know if it's just a thinlit that is supposed to be this other way, but I feel like it has to face up because it's showing the paper coming in afterwards. And in this case, the paper that I used, it has a self-adhering portion in the back. So anyway, I'm kind of struggling there a little bit, but it's fairly easy. You just feed it through, and then there you have it. Came out really cool, I thought. These are the different things I've made with it. So you want to keep the negative a lot of times, because you can do some stuff with it, some really cool like silhouette looking, use it like a silhouette. So now I'm using a tweezer to basically take my image, kind of clean it up a little bit. And I know they've got some actual tools for it, but honestly I just didn't want to have the extra expense right now. So, but yeah, that's what you get. And now I'm going to get another color, which is this like dark brown, and again I'm making the little sandwich, putting it through the Big Shot, and there we are again with, that's what you get, cleaning it out a little bit. And the tweezers that I'm using have a little bent tip, and I got them at the Dollar Tree. So and they were like in a set of like 4 or 5, and I can't remember exactly what department it was. I want to say it was in the aisle of the car repair, but I'm not sure. So, but yeah, now I'm going through the paper, and you know, I didn't purposely look for paper that self-adheres in the back. It just happened to be that those are the colors that I had, and it just so happens that it was kind of a nice surprise because I end up, you know, it ends up being very useful and easy, making it easier for me to make, you know, to create this project. And I'm sure there's a lot of other ways to do this, but that's how I did it, you know. And I am pretty new at it. I mean, this is literally the second time I'm using this machine, and you know, the first time I created those, you know, little embellishments on the pages that I showed you. And so now I'm just kind of doing it again to show y'all how I did it. And so basically these are the, you know, I cut out 5 of those little birds, and 4 of them have that self-adhesive, and then the pink one doesn't, because, you know, it just didn't. But yeah, so I cut the little bird out of the brown because I felt like that was a good color for the bird. So then I since it self-adheres, you know, I went and adhered it to the base, which I made the green to be the base. And then now I'm gonna cut the red little flower out, and there again, peel the back and you know, adhere it to the existing flower base. So that's what you get. Then cutting the little beige khaki, and that leftover piece, those leftover pieces are so cute to use, like I said, for other projects. So I'm not wasting anything, any paper or any product. But yeah, I mean, I'm sure that if you just want to make those elements, you could probably use a smaller piece of paper and just cut a piece. I'm not really sure. I think I kind of tried that, and I wasn't sure that was the best way to use the die. But anyway, it would be helpful if you guys put some comments below in case other people want to read them, because you know, some people have more experience with these, and so it would be nice to see what tips and tricks they may have that would be very helpful. And so here is the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and peel the back and then adhere it to this cool piece of tea-dyed paper. And yeah, I think it actually turns out really cute. Please subscribe if you want to continue to see these videos. And look how cute that is. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And Happy New Year, everyone. Love you so much. Love you so much. See you in the next one. Bye now.